Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Webb County in south central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Boddings or 15 miles northeast of Laredo, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laredo International Airport, Boddings, Unitech Industrial Park, United South High School, Texas A&M International University, Aguilar's, Ranquito Las Lomas, St. Augustine High School, South Laredo, Doctors Hospital, Laredo Country Club, and Laredo Community College. Hail, 1.50, and wind, 60 miles per hour.